Welcome to the show. This is Blessed by Mika Hair, Makeup, and Nails. Today I'm gonna do a makeup look as per usual. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna go out my pencil and I'm gonna use it. They no wing it. So that's that. And I'm gonna come over here this way. It looks similar. I ain't gonna say it's symmetry, but it's similar. So now, what I want to do is zoom in a little bit so you can see the eyes better. And I'm gonna try my best not to move too much out the camera zone. So just bear with me. Just want to pat this color on. So, just packing that color. I think this gonna look really pretty because this time I'm using soft colors as well. And last time I only used it dark colors. I'm gonna use dark colors as well, but you know, I'm just saying, I feel like it's looks really pretty. I'll pack the blue on. Now it's time to move on to the next color. Pack that color on. And the reason I said I don't think I'm gonna blend it is because I want to take away from the color and diffuse it.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm back. The only thing that I did while I was gone was went around my wing with some gold glitter. You can also do the same thing, or you can say some blue and leave it alone. I also went in with the whites from the box of cream palette and put it in my tear duct since it was a shimmer white color or whatever. It could have been called chalk dust because that's what it basically looks like. It looks like white chalk dust or whatever. Then they go with the school theme. That's what I feel like it should have been called. But hey, it's not my palette. So anyway, we'll put that to the side and we're gonna start with we're gonna start now doing foundation because yeah, we're doing the eye. If you want to know a little trick about removing extra glitter, get your spoolie and brush it down until you can get it all the way off your face. You might not get every piece of glitter, but you'll get a majority of it gone. That way it won't be so much glitter on the makeup. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and with this foundation, I'm gonna put little spots every freaking way. This is a full coverage foundation. Get rid of that halo effect around my brows. That's going on. I really don't want to take away from my brows. I'll put it too close, but I may have to get kind of close to the areas I'm trying to get to. Yeah. I just don't want that halo effect. That's it. I use my two LA Colors lip gloss. I use the clear one where I did my liner at, and I use my more pinkish one in the inner lip part. This is the final look, you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for coming to watch me put this look together, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Before I go, I want to tell you guys, like, check on each other, be mindful of each other, love one another, and show people love while they're here. Do not give people their flowers when they're gone because they don't know anything about it. Give them their flowers while they're here. Tell them how much you love them and care about them and how you feel about them. Check on each other's mental health, physical health, and social health because all are important in daily life with involvement between us as humans. So, with that, be a humanitarian or whatever. Be a good person. Show others and treat others as you would want to be treated or whatever. If someone can't show you the respect that you need and want, whether it's a friendship, a family member, a relationship, then you leave that alone because it's too toxic and it'll eventually drown you down. So with that being said or whatever, do what's best for you in your life and in the life of others, especially if your life is contrived for children. You have to think of them too as well. So you want to make sure that you do what's best for the children as well. So do what's best for you and yours, and I will see you guys in the next video. And stay blessed, you guys. I know it's too crazy out here, but stay blessed. Pray up. And again, this is Real Blessed by Nika, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. See you.